Annyeong chingudeul. Tomorrow we're going to go on a summer vacation in Namhae. So it's about 5-hour drive from my place, Shihung. So today I'm going to pack our traveling bag, and I will show you what are the things we're going to bring tomorrow. So let's start. Folded our clothes, my dress, underwear, and our rush guard and shorts for swimming. So I'm going to put the underwear here, but first some of my dress and underwear, mine and my husband's underwear. I'll put my husband's shorts, t-shirt. So I prepared 3 sets for him. Actually, 4 t-shirt and 4 t-shirts and 3 shorts. And then I will put some of my dress here. So I will seal this one. And then a while ago I prepared this underwear and my other dress here. Okay, so I will seal this one. I will close it now. I did not bring other like sandals or shoes since we're going to wear slippers only. Okay, one down. Then I will pack our rush guard because we'll go swimming. So this is my old bag. It's waterproof, so I will put our rush guard and swimming shorts here. I prepared 2 sets. So this one, my husband's first set, then second set for him. Actually, I bought a rush guard and shorts couple, so we're the same, just different size. Then mine also same, Speedo set. It's MLB. Okay, I'm going to close it now. Done. For toiletries, I prepared our toothbrush, toothpaste. Actually, I have another set of traveling kit here. So with shampoo, toothpaste, body wash. And I also brought extra body wash, lotion, and cleansing foam, essence for my hair, deodorant, and towel, shower towel, mist for the face, aloe vera after sun, because we're going to walk under the heat of the sun, so for sure we will get sunburn. I prepared 2 sunblock. One is protect and moisture roll-on, and the other one is sun-made protector. Most important is medicine. So this one, green nose, because my husband used to sneeze. He has a nose allergy, so for protection I prepared this one. Vitamin C as well, and I will bring some fish collagen. And we're ready.
A few moments later.